Hi guys, welcome back to another French tutorial. Today we will be going over how to tell time. So, quelle heure est-il? So first, let's get started with you should know you're counting from 1 to 24, as I think I already made a video on that, but if you guys still don't understand, you guys should go back on my other video that is fully dedicated towards counting and look that over. But feel free to pause the video right now and go over this right here that gives you the numbers between 1 to 24, as they're all written out as well. Secondly, we should know the numbers between 1 to 59, just to tell the minutes, or in some cases we have to tell the seconds. So numbers 1 to 59, you guys should also know this part. Okay, so let's get started. Right now in English we would say it's 1 o'clock, simply because the big hand is on 12 and the small hand's on 1, so it's 1 o'clock. But in French we would say il est une heure. No, since it's 1 o'clock in French, it would be une heure instead of un, since it's feminine. And we are giving the time in AM, so it would be il est une heure. And notice how I said it would be in AM, but in this case, since it's PM and the French clock works in a 24-hour clock, so we would say il est 13 heures. The reason why we say 13 heures is because 12, then 13 would come, right? Because in 24-hour clock, it counts all the way to 24, and the 1 would be 13. So 13 translates to 13 in French, so it would be il est 13 heures. So it would be 1 p.m. Now let's go over another example right here. Il est 15h45, sorry. Il est 45, and we would say it is 3:45 p.m. So the reason being that it would be 15h45 is because we have 13, 14, then 15. The 15 simply translates to 15 in French, and 45, so let's count this up right now. We have 30, 35, 40, then 45. So 45 means 45 in French. So il est 15h45. So it would be 3:45 p.m. And for AM, it would simply be il est 3h45, because in AM you would just simply be counting the hour and not going to your teens and counting it up actually like that. So it would be 3:45 a.m. Next example we have here is il est 18h25. So it is 6:25 p.m. Simply, again, if we go over it, once we get to the 5, the long hand goes here, so that's in minutes. So that's 25, so 25, right? And then if it was 30, we would say 18h30. So in this case, it's not, so it's 25. And 18h, so 18 is because if we count up 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 18 is simply 18 in French. And if we were to say it in AM, it would be 6:25 a.m. Now let's go over this, as it's your turn now, and hopefully you guys pause the video and do this question. So I hope that you guys are done. So let's go over the answer right now. So we would simply say il est 17 heures, meaning, and forgot to tell you guys this, and we're assuming that it's in PM, so it's going to be il est 17 heures. So it is simply 5 p.m. translated to English. Reason being, we have 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 17 in French is 17. Il est 17 heures. Next example, I'm going to let you guys do this one. Pause the video and make sure to do this one assuming that it's in PM. Okay, so I hope you guys finish up this and hope you guys get it right. Il est 20h50. It is 8:50 p.m. So 8 right here, so it's 8 right here, right? So instead of saying 8 o'clock, we would say 20, because we're going by the 24-hour clock and you guys can count. And 50 because it's 50 right here, and if we count by 5s, so 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. 50 translates to 50 in French, so it's 8:50 p.m. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys still don't understand, hopefully you guys rewatch the video and go over my numbers video if you guys don't get the numbers, and hope I see you guys next time. Thank you.